Hello, my lovely kids. Hope you all are doing great and safe at home. I'm your Maninder ma'am. I hope you all are enjoying online studies and also doing regular practice at home. Welcome to DD Blessings online classroom. Today we will learn number 4. First we will do the recognition of number 4. Students, look at your screen and recognize number 4 through its formation. Yes, this is number 4. Now comes formation of number 4. To make number 4, we need two lines, standing line and sleeping line. With the help of these two lines, we can easily make number 4. Now I'll show you how to write number 4 through a small video. First, we'll start from the top, make a standing line to the middle, then move to right and then lift your pencil, move to the top, make a straight line to the bottom. Hope it is clear to you. Now we will move on to the counting. Look at the picture, students. We have to count how many teddy bears are there. Let's start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many teddy bears are there? 4. Very good. Let's practice one more time with another object. Look at the screen. Now we have to count how many cars are there. Let's start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cars are there? 4 cars. Very good. Now we will learn how to write number 4 in our notebook. Let's get started. Students, let's learn how to write number 4 in our maths notebook. This is number 4. I have already made one number 4 here for your reference. Let's start learning how to write number 4. We'll write number 4 on dots. For number 4, see how we'll have to give dots. 1 dot, second dot with a small gap, third dot, and this is the fourth dot. We will make number 4 on 4 dots. 1, 2, 3 and 4. First we will start from the first job. From the top we'll make a small standing line from this point to this. This is a baby standing line, you can say. One small standing line, and then we will make a sleeping line towards right. We will move to the right and make a sleeping line like this, and then we'll stop down. And then from this point, from top, we'll lift the pencil, move to this point and make another standing line to the bottom like this. Clear? This is how we will make number 4. Let's practice again. We'll make 4 dots. 1 dot, second dot with a small gap, third dot, and this is the fourth dot at the bottom. First we'll make a small standing line. We'll start from the top and go down till here. And then from this point we will move to the right and make a sleeping line like this. And then we'll lift the pencil to this point and make a standing line reaching the bottom. Do not let your pencil go outside the standing line. Okay, we don't have to take it out. Let's practice one more time. I am giving dots here. First dot, second dot with a small gap, third dot here and fourth dot at the bottom. Let's start from the top. We'll make a small standing line till this point, and from this point we will move to the right like this, and then we will lift our pencil towards this point, and from this point we will make a standing line. This is simple: standing, sleeping, standing. See, standing line, small standing line, sleeping line and standing line. Standing, sleeping, standing. This is how we will complete our full page. Students, I hope you have completed number 4 like this. Practice number 4 in your maths notebook and click the picture and send back to us. Keep learning and practicing at home. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.